Hi friends, my name is Amanda and I love digital planning. Now, what is digital planning, you may ask? Good question. Well, let me tell you. So digital planning is just like a regular paper planner, but in a digital format. So what that means is you use what's called an interactive PDF as your planner inside of an annotating app to use your planner. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's really, really easy. One of the many reasons I switched to digital was, well, not only to like organize all of my notes, but I kind of got tired of carrying a planner bag around. And if you're a paper planner, you know what I mean. Your planner bag has 1, 2, maybe 3 planners in it, a notebook, a hoard of stickers and pens and washi tape. And I just got really, really tired of carrying that around with me. It was just too much. So I discovered digital planning and I was like, how did I not know about this? This is so cool. And then I just started to switch over, and it was the simplest process, but it was also kind of a learning curve. But let me kind of walk you through what digital planning is. So when you purchase a digital planner, like for me in my shop, the Planet Planner Co., you get a PDF download, you get a start here guide, you get a whole walkthrough of downloading your planner into your files to save it, putting it into your GoodNotes app, and how to use it. So that's what you first get. But when you're going to start using your planner after you've imported it, you then have all of these linked tabs in order to navigate around. So unlike a paper planner where you just flip the tabs, with a digital planner, you just tap it. So you would just like tap the little tab that says January or your monthly finances, things like that. So it's a very similar process, but it's just a little bit of a different application. In order to get started digital planning, there are a few things you do need though. So first would be some sort of writing implement. So an iPad or like a Galaxy tablet with a pencil or pen, whichever you want to call it. I use the iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 and I love it, but there's tons of different iPad options and sizes. If you'd like to see if the iPad you have is compatible with certain pencils, I do have a post, which I will link down below in here, that will show you which pencil is, which pencil goes with which iPad, because that is very, very important. So once you've got your iPad and you've got your pencil or your tablet, whichever, you're then going to need the app to use your planner. Now there are a couple different options, but I prefer to use GoodNotes. It's my favorite by far. You can just go into your app store and purchase it. It's a one-time purchase. I believe it's $7 or $6.99 or something like that, but it's a one-time purchase and you have it forever. And there is where you house all of your planners, your notebooks, your stickers. Yes, there are stickers. And everything in there, and you can just take everything with you in this one simple little thing rather than an entire bag full of stuff, which I love. So now you're thinking, okay, I want a digital planner, but like what kind is right for me? Well, there really isn't any one option for everybody because everyone plans differently. All of our brains work differently, and all of these like planner creators, it's so fun to see because one, everyone is super talented, but everyone's brains work differently and how they organize. And I think it's so interesting that all of these people who make these are all kind of organizational freaky people like me. Like I love to organize, but all of our brains work so differently. So our planners are laid out completely different, which is really, really cool to see. So there's tons of options out there, but if you'd like to buy one from us, you can visit us at planetplannerco.com, which will take you to our Etsy shop, or you can just go to Etsy and search Planet Planner Co. and you can find us there. I have a couple different planner options, notebooks, there's Bible study notebooks, there's a bunch of different sticker packs. So you have tons of options. And if you ever have any questions, you can send me a message on Etsy. I'm here to help you, and probably it can also help you figure out which one's gonna work for you. I don't like to tell anybody like, oh yeah, that one you should pick, because you never know. I originally started out liking landscape planners, and as of like last week, I discovered I really prefer portrait planners. And that's because I was making a new one and I discovered that, yeah, that one's way better for me. So it always changes. One of the really great things about our planners is they are professionally made. And what that means is there is no lag in the planner. With digital files, because they are PDFs, they can lag a little bit. And when they're created in a really good quality program like InDesign, which is what I use, there is no more lag. Using, Keynote? Yeah, using Keynote before, my planners had quite a bit of lag and I really didn't like that. So I was in the middle of making a planner and I just stopped, switched programs, learned it, and then remade the entire thing. And I was so much happier with how it came out. So There is no lag, which makes the experience a lot more fun, because in a regular planner, you just flip and you're there. So when a digital planner lags, it kind of like ruins the magic. But ours are professionally made, they're beautiful, they're color coordinated, they come with tons of free content for you to learn how to use them, which is my favorite part, because I want everyone to learn how to do this. The world is moving pretty digital, and don't get me wrong, I still love paper. I still write in notebooks every now and then. I use Post-its all the time, but everything's moving digital, everything is coming in digitally, and it's just gonna be so much easier going forward having digital planners, being able to like annotate digitally and send notes to other people and things like that. So that's one reason I really, really love it. So yeah, that's digital planning. If you guys have any questions, please send me a message, or you can comment below. I'm not really sure how that works, I'm not a YouTuber. But if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. And if you'd like to get started digital planning, head on over to our shop. And if you already have a planner and you're watching this on our website, hi, welcome to the community. Love you, thank you for buying our planner. There are a few videos below on the website or next. I don't know how YouTube works. We have a few videos to show you how to download your files through Etsy, how to import your planner, and how to get the most out of your planner. So there are a couple more videos to watch. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you love your planners, and have a great day.